Do you know many people are having trouble with answering calls on their Samsung Galaxy A02s? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check display. Notice the screen display when your phone rings, showing incoming call details. Step 2. Find icon. Locate the green phone icon on your screen. Step 3. Drag icon. Touch and drag the green phone icon outside the large circle in any direction. Step 4. Release icon. Release the icon once it's outside the circle to answer the call. Step 5. Start talking. Start talking with your caller as the call is now connected. By following these steps, you should be able to answer calls smoothly on your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.